Hello, today I would like to show you this Ultra Slim Mouse Jiggler. First thing I notice how small it is. Look at it doesn't take up much space, so it fits nicely on my desk. It's almost mouse size. So setting up is easy, just plug in it and start working. It didn't need any installation or any software or drivers. Also they sent for the USB-C to USB-C. Let's do it. Okay, look at our slim mouse jiggler is ready. Just like that. It's easy to install. Another things that I like how quiet it is. I can't really hear it while I am working. It moves the mouse in a natural way so your computer stays active. This helps to stop screen from going to sleep or locking while you are working. I use when I am reading log documents, watching training videos, or working on something without touching my mouse for a while. This is simple, easy to use, and doesn't make any extra noise. If you want an easy way to keep your computer awake while when you are working, I think this is a good choice. Thank you for watching.